Following your completion of this 15-part tutorial, Virtualization Options LLC provides this synthesis of the modern telecommunications landscape. We will now integrate these foundational concepts into a comprehensive systems-level map of the technologies powering our connected world. All telecommunications operate within a three-layer hierarchy. The physical layer moves raw signals, the logical layer provides protocols and addressing, and the application layer delivers user-facing services. Nyquist-Shannon governed the digital shift, taking 8,000 samples per second at 8 bits, established the 64 kilobit per second voice channel. This enabled time division multiplexing. Carriers bundled 24 channels into a 1.544 megabit per second T1 circuit, maximizing physical copper and fiber. Understanding these physical constraints and early circuit-switched architectures is necessary to see why the industry moved toward high-efficiency packet switch networks. Packet switching introduced protocols that separated data routing from specific physical hardware. The 7-layer OSI reference model standardized this separation, creating a common framework for multi-vendor interoperability and network troubleshooting. Internet traffic utilizes BGP to route between global autonomous systems, while internal data networks use VLAN segmentation to isolate logical domains. Enterprise connectivity extends from these local endpoints across the wide area network to reach distributed sites. This WAN traffic utilizes MPLS for path engineering and relies on IPsec or SSL VPNs to provide encrypted tunnels over shared cloud infrastructure. Standardized layered protocols and secure tunnels allow organizations to expand their network reach while maintaining traffic isolation over public facilities. Modern voice architectures replace dedicated circuits with VoIP UDP datagrams, using soft switches to separate call signaling from media handling. Wireless networks followed a similar path, evolving from early analog voice to multi-gigabit mobile broadband. At the core, optical networking uses reconfigurable optical add-drop multiplexers to route individual light wavelengths, enabling software-defined bandwidth management. Advanced management stacks now correlate physical faults directly to business management systems, identifying how a hardware failure impacts specific customer contracts. Infrastructure management focuses on end-to-end service delivery, using software abstraction to guarantee specific service-level agreements across diverse physical media. Next-generation networks and the IP multimedia subsystem centralize session control, allowing seamless handovers between fixed Wi-Fi and mobile LTE or 5G coverage. 5G architectures move even further into software, using virtual network functions that run on standardized commodity server hardware. Managing this complexity requires intent-based intelligence. These systems use closed-loop automation to monitor network telemetry and execute configuration changes without human intervention. Approaching 6G and the tactile internet requires a systems-level perspective. Success depends on understanding how radio physics, software architecture, and business economics interact globally. Commit to continuous learning and systems thinking to lead in this hyper-connected environment. Thank you for choosing Virtualization Options LLC.